Hello, this is Lily, and today we're going to unbox an SCX24. I have my first Axial. I'm sorry, I probably should have said Axial SCX24. And I'm quite excited. It's been a while since I got a new RC. Okay, let's see what we got. Just yeet that over there. And I should have my extra battery in here. Jingles wants to go play with the box. There's my extra battery. Okay, oh yeah, that's cute. I'm really liking the looks of this. I need my knife again. Jingles is as excited as I am. Okay, so I am going to turn the back of the box to the camera after I get this out just so you can read some of the specs. I know everybody wants to see it. So we'll let that show. And then we'll show everybody the actual truck. Here's the actual truck. It's so small, it's way smaller than I thought it was going to be. Most of the RC I have are fairly smaller, like 1/16, 1/18, but this is the smallest I have. Oh no, I guess my K9 8.9 is probably in the same size range. Let me cut these little clips out, get it loose. Ugh, that's not going to cut good. Let me grab my tweezers. Oh no. What a mess. This is my first unboxing anything video, in case you haven't noticed. I'm not sure what all the rules are that I'm breaking and not showing it right. But we also get a cute puppy dog in this video, so yay. Alright, and we'll just eat that out of here. Let's see what else we have in the box. This comes with the batteries for the transmitter. I believe this will be my transmitter under here. Charger. Show that good. And my transmitter. Alright. This feels good. Now, if you watch Asphalt and Batteries, we don't really talk much normally. Now that's going to change a lot. However, all those videos, I normally hook up a camera and I have a little monitor I put up on my transmitter so I can watch my first person point of view. This truck I'm going to end up hooking up, I have coming in the mail soon, a cloverleaf antenna right here. And what I like about this transmitter is I have a nice flat spot where I could put the mount for my camera, for my screen. And I have my little adjustments into there. And that should be for my throttle and steering trim. I got channels. Cool. Pop this open. Battery port slide into the handle. We're not going to insert them just yet though. Let's set this down. I want to look at the truck itself. I'm going to pull these pins off. I like the pins got these little tabs, but at the same time they're kind of big, so I might replace them. And it folds back. Oh, look how cute and small that is. Oh my god. It is so small. Like, I bought it because it was small, but I wasn't expecting it to be as teeny. Eventually I'll do upgrades. I'll upgrade the suspension and the axles and the tires and different things. It's kind of part of the hobby. I don't think anybody buys something and keeps it stocked for long. Obviously, things are going to break, so you got to change stuff anyway. I am going to ruin this pretty look when I put my camera on the top, but for me, it's not artsy if I don't have a first-person camera. I know that not a lot of people seem to do it, but I don't enjoy it as much unless I'm looking through the first-person camera. All right, let's pop this open and see what we have in our instruction book. Axial actually gave a fairly big one. And that's all your basic information. It's quite thick and good. A lot of things nowadays are all online, but we have like all our different exploded diagrams, and that can be quite useful when you're trying to order parts and whatnot in the future. So that's really cool. I like this Axial. More paper books. I know we should recycle and try to use less paper, but I love having the real actual paper. And then we got the basic booklet for the connector and charger, and it's usually good to read through all that and just make sure you don't have any risk of fire, because LiPo batteries, you know, we all know how they could be. And I got my little Horizon hobby card that came with it. And this came very quick in the mail, actually. I was quite surprised. Get a little extra Allen key, little teeny one. And I get a few little, looks like a little drive shaft part, and then maybe some of these suspension linkage things down here. Some extra of them. Extra pin. Only one extra pin, though. And then I got the extra battery that I ordered separately. Okay. So, I think it's about time I get this battery charging. I'll see you all in a little bit, and we're going to run it. Alright, let's get inside of it now. I just want to pull out the battery and give you a good shot of our battery strap. Our nice little teeny LiPo. You can see our little battery holder, little antenna. Give you a good shot like that teeny little micro server in there. Can you see that? That is so cute. And the little motor in here is so teeny. I'll probably upgrade it in the future, but this is so cute right now. Let's get a good shot of the underside for everyone. You can see how free-flowing the suspension is. It's a little springy. I'll probably replace them. That'll probably be some of the first things I replace. Got that cute bumper. I'll probably get the metal one in the future and get all the cool little parts for it. Alright, we're going to get the battery charged now and get this thing driving. So we got our battery charged up, and I'm on my bed with my brand new toy because I'm a big kid. So we're going to put it in and test it out for its inaugural run. Strap my battery down. You know what? I'm going to strap this extra cable here is the cable I use to charge it with. I'm going to strap that out of the way. I'm going to plug it in. Okay. Now, always turn on your transmitter first before you power on your vehicle. Just so you don't get like a runaway situation, or I guess is why. It says in all the instruction books to do that. Okay. Get our clips in. I love the body on this truck. It is so cute. I like these old Chevys. Alright, let's test her out. Nice. And it looks so good. I really like it. Let's see if I can get up the steeper spot over here by the pillows. Oh, oh. Not quite. Maybe if I had a little more weight in the wheels. And that's basically top speed right there. It is a crawler, so it's not supposed to go fast. Let's see how slow it can go. That's pretty nice. Now I'm almost certainly going to upgrade it. I don't know to what extent, but I don't have a single stock RC for long. Alright. I like this little thing. I'm probably almost certainly going to get more of these little Axial SCX24s. If you want to see more of this guy, you should subscribe. We're going to do more videos in the future. I have a little obstacle course thing I'm going to be making. And there's a few more of my old ones. I'm planning on bringing out my old WPL B14 that I have upgraded. And I got a few more upgrade parts coming. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe, and if you watched all the way to the end, thank you so much.